Hello and welcome to Odd's World, where we cover the unusual and intriguing aspects of our world. First, our disclaimer. We are merely filming our computer screen. We are not claiming any branded or copyrighted content, which may happen unintentionally to come across the screen to be ours. Nor is it our objective to have any of the aforementioned content as the sole focus of the show. If the owner of any said content would like it removed, please contact us. That said, please enjoy the show. What's up, all you weird people out there in this weird, effed up world? I want to give a shout out to my one and only subscriber, Marijuana Man 420. Hell yeah, man, you rock. This episode, we're going to be covering some really weird things again. We got these Japanese Otaku dolls. Now these guys over in Japan, they like have these dolls as their girlfriends, and they dress them up and they take them out on dates and stuff like that. And they say that they got no intention of getting married, and it's just some really strange stuff. I don't know how they even, supposedly they have sex with these dolls. I'm not sure how they do that, because I guess they're like a hard plastic resin, and they powder them and take them out on dates and go to dinner. And you'll see here they got Wikipedia says they're made in Asia, Korea, Japan, all over there, I guess. They range in price from $100 to $1,000. You can, supposedly here's like a really popular brand of them, and you can buy different hairstyles, eyes, and I don't know, body styles and all that kind of stuff. Just really weird stuff. Put my signature on here. Cause that is really freaking strange. Get that crap off the screen. Nasty. I don't know why you guys do that. So now that we're done with that, I was browsing around on this family watchdog site. I don't know if you've seen this, but you type in your location, say like Anchorage, Alaska. And you'll get like this map, and you get all these squares, and then each square you click on will be like the guy's face. His picture should come up. You see it's some real scary guys, and you can look at their convictions. That's just nasty. And I was looking at my area, and these photos are public domain, so I got pictures of these guys. Whatever you hear about these guys looking normal, that ain't true around here, man. These guys, you stay away from these dudes. I mean, you can see them walking down the street. This is some scary crap. I mean, damn. That's just, I don't know what the hell. That's sad. That's not even sad, it's just creepy. And these guys, you know, this looks kind of funny as I go through them fast. I just think about, you know, I should bring out the GIMP and make a animated GIF out of these faces. Just crazy stuff. Damn, man. Dude's gotta get a life, man. I mean, clean your damn face up. That is messed up. And that is Leatherface himself, I swear. If he ain't straight out of that movie, I don't know what is. Damn. I don't know what his mother made it with, but he looks like, I don't know, like a hybrid from a cow. There's another one, Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Holy shit. But that's that. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay away from them freaks. Those guys are nasty. Take it easy until next time. Bye bye.